Welcome back everyone. In this episode we're at the Merbein South Motor Show. Stick around. It's that time of year again when the annual Merbein South Motor Show showcases some awesome machinery. Let's have a look around. Are you a chrome or a plastic fan? Drop a comment below and I'll give you some examples as we go through the video and let me know what you think. Digi, chrome or plastic?
Chrome.
Here's a beautiful example of a fantastic plastic. Check this Commodore out. How could you not like chrome when it's on a Corvette like this one? What a beautiful piece of machinery. Carol, chrome or plastic?
Chrome.
You've probably worked out by now that I'm a GM fan, but don't panic, we'll get to the Ford shortly. There we go, there's a Falcon, so I'm unbiased now. Well, I'm no Ford fan, but the detail on this machine is just incredible. Check it out. Look, have a look at the interior. Well, I thought I was a chrome fan, but when I see something like this, it gets you a little bit excited, doesn't it? Well, it wouldn't be a show and shine if the Mafia Hitman didn't have their fleet of cars here. Gotta love a VK, especially a white one. White ones are always the best. Reg's Cadillac. It took me 2 cans to walk a lap around this.
You can sleep in there.
And with Reg in his Cadillac. Reg, plastic or chrome? Chrome. Enough of the Ford crap. Check this Camaro out. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? Well, we've got to balance out those couple of Fords we've shown, so here's some beautiful Holdens. Check these babies out. There you have it guys, the Merbein South Motor Show, or Show and Shine, whatever you want to call it. If you like this video, check this one out here. And also don't forget to check out outandaboutsunraysia.com.au for more great content. But be good, stay safe, and bye for now.